Good morning children, welcome to my video. My today's topic is union and intersection of sets. This topic is present in second chapter sets from Telangana Board SSC. Today I have selected 10 questions for explaining you how to solve the problem based on union and intersection. Before starting the explanation, I want to tell what is union and what is intersection. Union is nothing but combining the elements of two sets and writing as a single set. An intersection is common elements, the set of common elements. Which are the elements which present in both the set? They are called common elements, and we have to write these common elements in a single set, that is called as intersection of two sets. So let us start. First problem. Here the first problem given is, let A is 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 and B is 5, 7, 9, 11. The question is, find A union B. A union B. Union means combination of elements of both the sets. Okay, so first note down this question. LHS left hand side. A union B. A union B. First set is A, so note down the set A, then take union sign, then note down the set B. Now combine the elements of both the set by writing the repeated element only once. So combine the elements and write in this set. These elements as well as these elements, both the elements of both the set, write in this single set, but which element is repeating, that you have to write only once. Okay, how will be the Venn diagram for this? You have to draw a rectangle to show the universal set. Okay, then set A and set B. Here observe which elements are common. Here the common elements are 5 and 7. 5 is present in set A as well as set B, and 7 is also present in set A as well as in set B. So 5, 7 are the common elements, and which are the non-common elements? 2, 6, 8. So this you have to write in this part, and which are the non-common elements of set B, that you have to write in this part. Then shade full. Set A as well as set B, both you have to shade. Okay, so this is what union of set A and B. In this all elements are there, but 5, 7 are repeating, no? Means they are present in A as well as in B. That's why we have to write only once. Okay, so let's come to the second question. Here set A is given A, E, I, O, U, and set B is given A, I, U. Here what do we observe? In my last video, I have told you what is the meaning of subset. Here we observe that set B is the subset of set A. A, I, U. All these three elements are present in set A. So B is the subset of A. Set B is the subset of A. Here what they are saying to find, show that A union B is A. So for that we have to find A union B, and we have to check out whether it is coming A or not. So A union B. First which set is there here? A. So note down A. Then give union sign. Then note down B set. Now combine them. Union means combining. Writing the elements of both the set as a single set. So here combine both, you will get A, E, I, O, U. So A, I, U, these three elements are present in set A. Nothing other elements are there. Okay. So A, E, I, O, U is nothing but, we observe it is set A. So what we understood from this? A union B is equal to A when B is the subset of A. Okay, when B is the subset of A union B is equals to A. Now let us see here. B is the subset of A. Why? Because all the elements of B are present in set A. So B is the subset of A. So how will be the Venn diagram? Here AIU, elements of B are AIU and they are also common elements. They are also present in both the set. So AIU we will write in overlapping part. And what are the other elements which are present in A? E and O. They are present in A. So we have to write here. Okay. No other elements are present in B other than common elements. So here no other elements will be there. Now you shade it. This full is union, combining all the elements. Or you can make like this Venn diagram. Set B is totally present in set A. Okay. That's why B is inside A. Okay. And this is universal set, rectangle. Universal set is shown by this rectangle, and this set A and this set B, all the elements of set B are inside A. Okay, they are common elements. So full if you shade, this total will be union. Okay, A union B. Come to the third question. A and B sets are given. We have to draw only Venn diagram. Illustrate A union B in Venn diagram. Illustrate means explain in by using Venn diagram. Okay, so you understood how to draw Venn diagram? First, draw a rectangle to show universal set. Then draw set A, then set B. They will be overlapping because there is common element. What are the common elements in this? 2 is common and 4 is common. See, 2 is present in A as well as in B. 4 is also present in A as well as in B. So common elements are 2 and 4 that we have to write in overlapping part. Other than 2 and 4, which are the elements present in A? 1 and 3. So note down here. And other than 2, 4, which elements are present in set B? 6, 8. Note down here. Okay. So this is the Venn diagram of A union B. Come to the next question. Here, fourth question is A is equals to 1378, B is equals to 2479. Find A intersection B. Intersection. Now we have to find intersection. Intersection means common elements. What are the elements common in both the set? Yes, 7 is present in both the sets. Is there any other element? No. So A intersection B. First note down A, then put intersection sign, then note down B set, then check out which one is common in that. So 7, the element 7 is common in both the sets. So common elements you have to write in set. That is A intersection B. So there is only one element common. Okay, tell me if there is only one element in a set, which type of set that is? Yes, that is a singleton set. Which set? Singleton set. Okay, so A intersection B is a singleton set because there is only one element. Here only one element is common. That one element we have to write here in overlapping part. Okay. What are the other elements other than 7? 1, 3, 8. That note down here. What are the other elements than 7? 2, 4, 9. That note down in this part. But they told to find intersection. So intersection is this common overlapping part. Okay. In this we have to write 7. And we have to shade this part. This is intersection. For union, full shade. Because union means combining of the elements and intersection means only common elements. So in intersection we will shade only this common part. In union we will shade total full. Okay. So let's come to the next problem, that is fifth one. In fifth question, A is given 6, 9, 11 and 5. 5 means empty set. Empty set is denoted by the letter 5. Empty set is also called null set or void set. Empty set is also called null set or void set. Here they are saying to find the union of a set A with empty set. Okay, so union, how to write it? Set A, note down set A, then put union sign, then empty set. If you combine in empty set, there are no elements. So if you combine them, then also you will get same set A. Okay, so what do you understand by this? Okay, union of any set with empty set gives you the same set. Because in empty set nothing is there, no element. If you combine, then also you will get the same set. So union of any set and empty set gives you the same set. How to make Venn diagram? Try yourself. Okay. Come to the next sixth question. Here set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set B is given 2, 3, 5, 7. Find A intersection B and show that A intersection B is equal to B. A intersection B. Intersection means common elements. Okay. Common elements we have to write in a set. What are the common elements in this? 2, 3, 5, 7. Again, what do you observe? 2, 3, 5, 7. B. All the elements of B are present in A. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are common elements. And all the elements of B are present in A means B is the subset of A. B is the subset of A. What are the common elements? 2, 3, 5, 7. These four elements are present in B as well as in set A. So common elements are 2, 3, 5, 7. So common element, set of common element means intersection. A intersection B. Let us find A intersection B. First note down A, then write intersection sign, then note down B. Then write down equal to sign and which elements you are going to write in this? Common elements which are present in both the sets. Note down common elements. So in this we observe that B is the subset of A, means all the elements of B are present in set A. So B is the subset of A. Okay, so in B subset A, how to make Venn diagram? In earlier problem I explained. First rectangle with a universal sign, universal set it is. Then take set A and inside that take set B because B is totally present in A. So what are the elements of B? 2, 3, 5, 7. And what are the remaining elements of A? Leave 2, 3, 5, 7. Remaining elements you have to note down here. 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Then which part you are going to shade? Only middle part here B because that is common. Intersection means common part. Okay, that's why. If union they will say you have to shade full. Okay, similarly in this case also you can draw the same figure in this way also. Set A and this set B. Okay, common elements right in overlapping part. Other than common elements, there is no element in set B. So here there will not be any element. And other than common element, what are the elements present in A? 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. This you note down here. 2, 3, 5, 7 common elements. That right here. Okay. Now shade this. Intersection means common elements. Shade only common part. Union, in union you have to shade full. But in intersection you have to shade only this common part. Because intersection shows the common elements. And union shows the all the elements Okay. Come to the next question, seventh one. I hope you all understood union and intersection. Now you tell me how to solve this. Set A is given, set B is given. A is given 4, 5, 6. B is given 7, 8. Huh? A union B 4, 5, 6. Set A is 4, 5, 6. Then union sign. Then set B is 7, 8. Combine them. Then B union A, right? Come on, write yourself. Solving with me or not? All of you, when I explain, you should solve the problems with me. When I explain, go on solving in your book. B union A. B union A. B is this. Union. A is this. Combine them. Don't write repeated elements, students. Once, only once you have to write. Okay. Now observe. A union B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B union A is also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So what do you understand? Huh? They are saying show that. Can you show A union B equals to B union A? Yes. A union B and B union A. Both answers are same. See? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do we observe from above? We observe that A union B is equal to B union A. Whether you write A union B or B union A, same elements will get combined now. Yes. Solved it. Understood. If any doubt, you can ask me by commenting on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in description. Okay. You save that number, and whatever doubt you have, any problem not understanding, you comment me on WhatsApp. I will be always ready to help you. Come to the eighth question. List out some sets A and B and choose their elements such that A and B are disjoint. Disjoint set. Disjoint. Joint. Disjoint. Say with me. Disjoint. Joint. Disjoint. Disjoint means totally different. They are saying to write some of the examples of disjoint set. I have written two. You write your own three more. Set A is 1, 3, 5, 7. What are 1, 3, 5, 7? Come on, tell me. Quick. Yes, 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. Set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. What are 2, 4, 6, 8? Come on, tell me. Yes, even numbers. So set of odd numbers and set of even numbers. Totally different. This dot shows they are infinite. Okay, never ending. Now, second example, A, set of consonants in English alphabet. Okay, A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and other than vowels, they are consonants. They are totally different, right? So, this is also disjoint set. I have written two examples. You write three more. That is my home assignment to you. Come to the next question. If A is 2, 3, 5, find A union 5 and 5 union A and compare. Okay, A union 5. A means 2, 3, 5. Set A. Union means combining the elements. 5. 5 means empty set. What is the meaning of 5? Empty set is denoted by this letter 5. And empty set is also called null set and void set. Empty set is also called null set and void set. Empty set is denoted by the letter 5. Now we have to find A union 5. So A is 2, 3, 5 union 5. Okay, now what? We have to combine them. If you combine them, you will get the same elements 2, 3, 5. 5 union A means write empty set, then put a union sign, then write A. If you combine them, you will get 2, 3, 5. Means if we combine any set with the empty set, we are going to get the same set. So tell me, what will be B union 5? Hmm? It will be B. C union phi, it will be C. Means if you combine any set with empty set, you will get same set. What we will get if we find intersection? A intersection phi, B intersection phi, C intersection phi. Tell me, this question I am posing to you. If we find intersection, what will be the answer? When we are finding union, we are getting same set. If we find intersection, intersection means common element. What will be the intersection of A and empty set? This question's answer you give me in WhatsApp. Okay, this is your home assignment. If A is, now 10th question. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then find A union B and A intersection B. Both we have to find, union and intersection. We observe here. What do we observe? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. All elements are present in B, no? Yes. Then what is A called? Yes. A is called the subset of B. A is called the subset of B. Why? Why A is called subset of B? Tell me. Yes. Because all the elements of A are present in B. Okay. What we have to do in this question? Find A union B and A intersection B. What do you notice about the result? A union B means combine them. First write A, then put union sign, then write B. Now combine them. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. B union A. B union A will be also same. Okay. Now they are saying find A intersection B. What is A intersection B? A intersection B. Intersection means common elements. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Common element. A intersection B will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Common elements. Find here common elements. Which are common? 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 4 is common. Okay. So intersection will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is union. Okay, this is union. So what do you observe? We no need to do this. Leave it. They are saying find A union B. So this is A union B. And they are saying to find A intersection B. So this is A intersection B. Okay. What do you observe here? A intersection B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? It is A. And A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which set it is? Tell me quickly. Yes, it is set B. Okay. So what we observe? What what do you notice about the result? We notice that when A subset B, then A union B is equals to A and A intersection B is equals to A union B is equals to B and A intersection B is equals to A. A is smaller set now. When we take intersection, A will be common. When we take union, then we get the set B. Right? Again observe A union B means combine both. We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and that set is nothing but set B. So when we find A union B, we will get set B. When we will find A intersection B, we will get set A. Okay, it is equal to A. When it is possible? When A is subset of B. Then this condition is possible. A union B is B. A intersection B is A. When A subset B, then this. Now, when B subset A, then what? Hmm? Then which condition here? Tell me. This is your home assignment. Okay, think and tell me. This is your home assignment. Here I asked A intersection 5 what it will be. This is your home assignment. And then I told you to write disjoint sets. Three examples of disjoint sets. This is your home assignment. Okay. Now one more home assignment I am giving. Solve related problems. Send pics to me on the WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will be always ready to help you. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.